Good morning, students. Welcome to the maths class of standard 6. 10.1. In that, first and second question completed. Now, third question. A tabletop measures 2 meter 25 centimeter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. What is the perimeter of tabletop? Here measurement it is given, that is of length, okay, and here it's a breadth. Length of tabletop and breadth of tabletop it is given. You can assume this is a tabletop, and you have a length of it and breadth of it. So you have to find out the perimeter of this tabletop. So you can find out by the formula 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into 2.25 plus 1.50. So it's a 2 into 3.75 is equal to 7.50 meter. So what is the perimeter? 7.5 meter. Now here this data that is converted into the same unit, into the meter. So that you have to convert into the same unit, either in meter or centimeter. It will be easy to convert into meter. 2 plus 25 divided by 100, because you want to convert into meter. So it will be 2.2 plus 0.25. So it's a 2.25. Same way 1.50 meter. Now fourth question, what is the length of wooden strip required to frame a photograph of length and breadth 32 and 21 respectively? So length of wooden strip required to frame a photograph. This is a photograph. Okay. Now to frame it, you will be required a wooden strip outside it. So for that you need to find out the perimeter of this photograph. So 2 into L plus B. 2 into 32 plus 21, so is equal to 2 into 53. So answer is 106 centimeter. Fifth question, a rectangular piece of land measures 0.7 kilometer by 0.5 kilometer. Each side is to be fenced with 4 rows of wires. What is the length of wire needed? Okay, rectangular piece of land. L and B it is given 0.7 and 0.5. Now each side is to be fenced with 4 rows. Okay, so 4 times it is fenced, is to be fenced. Okay, so first of all find out the perimeter, because you need to find out the length of wire required to fence this rectangular piece of land. So perimeter of field, that is a 2 into L plus B, so it will be 2.4 kilometer. Now here that is converted into meter. I think no need to convert into meter, you can keep as it is 2.4 meter kilometer, 2.4 kilometer. Okay, now it is fenced 4 times, okay, with 4 rows of wire. So you have to multiply by 4. So directly you can write down 2.4 into 4. So that will be 9.6 kilometer. So the length of wire will be 9.6 kilometer. Question number 6. Find the perimeter of each of the following shapes. So it's very easy. Perimeter of triangle you have to find out. How to find out perimeter of triangle? First question, here you can see this data, a triangle of sides 3, 4 and 5 centimeter. So add them up, so you'll get the perimeter. Second one, an equilateral triangle of 9 centimeter, side 9 centimeter. Equilateral, it means all 3 sides are equal. So you can multiply 3 into 9, or you can add 9 plus 9 plus 9. So that will be 27 centimeter. Next, isosceles triangle with equal sides of 8 centimeter and third side 6 centimeter. Two sides are same. In isosceles triangle, Two sides are same, that is of 8, and third one is that is of 6. So you have the measurement of the sides 8, 8 and 6. Add them up. So 22 centimeter is the answer. Okay. So here up to question number 6. Okay. From question number 7 onwards, we will see later in the next lecture. Thank you.